Okay guys, so I moved my 2 makeup cabinets in here so that way I can have all of my makeup in my bedroom instead of a separate makeup room. But here's the problem. They're empty. But here's the bigger problem. These are all full. And therefore, that means extreme makeup organization time. And it also means I have to try to fit all of this into those. All of my makeup that was in my separate makeup room, and I'm organizing it all into those 2 cabinets. So I think I'm going to start with taking lashes and putting them in this top drawer. I am running extremely low on lashes, so it's just going to end up looking something like this with all the lashes like rode all the way through the drawer. I'm also going to put my lash glues in here, but a bunch of them are still somewhere in there, and we'll get to them eventually. So that will be drawer 1. And then drawer 1 on this side, I think we'll do brushes, which would consist of this. Yeah, I could have done that a little neater. Oh, lash glue. So this is only probably half. There's, again, a lot more in here. Here's some more, and another, and some more. Oh, look, what do you know, more. So basically, I'll just continue to find more brushes and fill this up, but it might have to be multiple drawers. So here is the first 2 drawers, putting them all in here. In the second drawer, I put all of my face brushes, and I put my beauty blenders in here. Obviously, they're not all in there yet. And then over here, I put my eyeshadow brushes, some of them, and some sponges. In this second drawer right here, I'm going to be putting all my setting sprays and all my facial sprays and just primers and stuff like that. Of course, it's going to take a while to find them all, but it'll look good. And I think I'm going to go ahead and take the face masks and put them down here in this bottom drawer. And then I'll take the eyeshadow palettes, all of them, and put them in the second to last drawers. So bigger eyeshadow palettes here and smaller eyeshadow palettes. There's only about maybe 3.5 drawers full so far. I think what I want to go ahead and do is just take some of the lipsticks because I have maybe like a little bit of them organized already in there. There's more here. I mean, of course, I'll have to dig through here and find the rest of like the little ones that are thrown in there. Oh, please don't drop it. Please don't drop it. I need to figure out what drawer we're going to put it in. There's going to be a lot, so I'm guessing maybe this drawer. So we're just going to set this in there, but of course we can change it at any time. I'm actually going to scoot that to the back and add the MAC lipsticks right here and these little minis right here. And I'll take the lip liners, put them here. There's so many down there. I'm also going to take more eyeshadow palette. And eyeshadow brushes go in here. We'll put the blending brushes in here and the detail brushes in here. Boom. Oh, look, there's more. So this is face paint, by the way, not like actual paint. And I'm going to put that all in this very bottom drawer. And this will be like the Halloween makeup or crazy makeup drawer. And I have all of these like single shadows and glitters, pigments and stuff. Single shadows, I think I'm going to put in this drawer right underneath of the lashes. So then it's going to look something like this. And I'll take these glitters and I'll put them here. And of course, knowing me, I'll probably end up switching all these drawers at some point. Too many glitters, check. Next, we're doing highlight palettes. And I think I'm just going to add those to the highlight drawer. Oh, and blush and powder. Powder's going here. Blush goes in here. This is going to take forever. Please, somebody come help. More powder. If you look in here, there's lipsticks all the way down there. More. Highlight. Powder. 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 Highlight. Powder, 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 powder. Oh no, more glitters. So I'm actually going to add all my glitters into this drawer with the liquid eyeshadows underneath of these glitters. I like to lay them all sideways so I can see exactly what colors they are. Glitter. 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 In my bedroom. We're going to add this cream contour palette to the foundation and concealer drawer. And also these 2 Morphe concealer palettes. And then this face palette to the contour and blush drawer. Oh look, that's why I have so much makeup. And here's more eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to go ahead and start adding them to the drawer. And another, and some more. And then these are a little bit bigger, so I'm going to put them in the bigger eyeshadow palette drawer. And just throw them in there. And then I just organize them laying up like this. Here's some more highlight palettes. And we'll add these 2 in the drawer with the rest. And now we have to add... They're already in this little thing, and so is the one over there. But... I don't know if I'm going to attempt this. I might have like a friend come over and help me because, oh my god. We'll just take this and set this in here. And then it is a perfect fit. And then this little thing is just lip liners. And then eyeliners, mascara, brow gel, brow pomade, brow powder, stuff like that is all going to go in here. Which is the drawer right underneath of some of the glitters and right above the highlight drawer. This drawer right here is going to be fun. Hee 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 hee. This drawer is for all of my airbrush makeup and spray